Hello YouTube, no time, no talk. This is your girl Trishawn from Big Doe Hair Extensions. I'm coming to show you guys some bundles that I pre-washed last night. I'm getting them ready to do a wig. I had a customer order for a raw wavy wig, so I'm going to get together for her. And as you can see, each texture is a slightly different wave pattern. But as I discussed in previous videos, that is what happens when you have raw hair from different donors. The curl patterns will be slightly different, but what we do at the end is we add water and we add some mousse and we tighten up those curls, and it's going to blend beautifully. Trust me, I do it all the time. I cannot wait to show you guys the finished result of this wig, and I cannot wait to get it to my customer because I know that she is going to love it. So if you are new to my channel, again, my name is Trishawn. I'm the owner of Big Doe Hair Extensions, Raw Indian Hair. If you are in the market for some bomb hair, I need you to go to www.bigdoehairextensions.com. All right, bye.